Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Itatago na lang natin siya sa pangalang Ani. Siya ay 46 years old at siya ay taga secret. Itatago nga natin siya. So 46 years old na siya. Sabi niya, "Hi DJ Lala. May problem po ako. Hiwalay na po ako sa asawa ko. Almost 8 months na. 31 years din po kaming nagsama. Makalipas ang 8 months, DJ Lala, ngayon po meron akong lover. Pero wala siyang sariling bahay. At hindi ko rin po sure kung mahal niya ako. Ang tanong ko, DJ Lala, paano ko po ba malalaman na mahal niya ako? Salamat at sana mabasa mo ito. More power to your show." My love, after 8 months of being separated from your husband, now you are with someone. Let's not move too fast. I know you might think na 46 years old na kasi ako, DJ Lala, so time is not on my side. I get it. Pero yung relationship kasi na hinahanap mo is a relationship that can last a lifetime. With the history that you have, syempre there are a lot of things na kailangan nyo pang maging used to. Kayong dalawa as partners nitong bago mong lover. Kung tawagin mo nga siya lover hindi siya partner, hindi siya boyfriend, hindi siya husband, hindi siya live-in partner, ang tawag mo sa kanya ay lover. So you see, parang yung relationship mo is not yet set in stone. Alam naman natin yan na ang isang relasyon para tumibay kailangan dumaan sa proseso. So wag tayo magmadali. If you wanna know if that person loves you, spend time with that person. Get to know that person. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, I may tell you the things that can define love for a bunch of people, pero iba-iba tayo ng language of love. Maybe yung language of love ng mga taong nakilala ko, nakasama ko sa buhay, nakadaupang palad ko is different from the language of love of the man you are with. So I suggest you take it slow. Again, nagigets ko, time is not on your side. If you are not planning naman on having a child at 46, kung kaya pa, kung hindi pa scary for you, or kung hindi ka pa menopause, ayan, forgive me for saying that. I hope you are not offended by that, but it's a natural thing. Kung hindi ka pa ganun and you are still planning on having one, then maybe you can talk to the partner about it. Pero if you're not planning on having a child, I think it's about time you enjoy life as it is. Huwag kang magpa-pressure na kailangan yung kasama mo ngayon na siya na yung panghabang buhay. Kailangan set in stone, yan na yung panghabang buhay. Kaya kese hodang nagsasama pa lang kayo for a few months, kailangan sure ball na. Kailangan sigurado ka na siya na talaga panghabang buhay. Na magsastay na siya for the rest of your life. At eto na yung setup ninyong dalawa. Do not put that pressure on yourself and do not put that pressure on your partner. Right now, my love, ang focus mo dapat ay i-enjoy lang tong relationship na to. You just had a serious relationship that lasted for 13 years. You've had that already. And you know what to expect in relationships like that kasi you've been in one. Katatapos lang ng iyo. So right now, huwag ma-pressure yung sarili mo. Just enjoy the company. Now, kung gusto nyo mag-date somewhere, even if sabihin ng mga taon, tanda-tanda nyo na, or may edad na kayo, nagde-date pa kayo, kasi hoda, anong pake naman nila, di ba? Just go on. Enjoy the date night. Enjoy mo yung travel ninyo together. Enjoy nyo yung oras na inisuspend nyo sa isa't isa. mag-binge watch kayo ng movie, kumain kayo ng popcorn, yung mga ganyan, my love. Basta tanggalin mo lang yung pressure sa katawan mo. And as for your question, how would you know if a person loves you? That is quite tricky because sometimes you just know. You just know na mahal ka nung tao. Kasi dama mo eh. The way they move, the way they talk, the way they look at you, the way na very comfortable sila sa'yo every single day. Na ipinapakita nila sa'yo yung good and bad without inhibitions. Walang pag-filter, my love. Kasi alam nila na you are that person that makes them feel safe. That makes them feel na at home sila. So my love, if you are asking me kung paano mo malalaman kung mahal ka niya, instead of talking, start listening. Instead of moving, start feeling. Pakiramdaman mo. Tignan mo yung atmosphere ng bahay nyo pag magkasama kayo. Tignan mo yung mood mo whenever nagko-converse kayong dalawa. Tignan mo yung mood niya kapag nag-uusap kayo about the future. If nakikita mo siyang nagla-light up, if nakikita mo siyang rested beside you, that's when you know that person loves being with you. Ergo, loves you. Pero all of that, my love, needs time. Bigyan nyo ng oras na yung isa't isa para maging komportable sa isa't isa hanggang dun sa level, hanggang sa dumating yung araw na hindi mo nakakailanganing tanungin pa yung mga katagang, mahal niya ba ako? Kasi you know. Even without him telling you that he loves you, you know he does. So right now, my love, stop overthinking. Huwag mo masyadong pag-isipan yung relationship ninyo. Enjoyin mo lang yung company ng isa't isa. Let the natural events in life take its course sa tadhana ninyong dalawa. Concentrate on today. Stop worrying about tomorrow. Never miss a beat ng relationship ninyo. Be in the present. Be present sa relationship ninyo. That's all you need to do. My love, life is too short. So love a person or love the person you are with the best of your ability today, and love them even more tomorrow as if it will be the last. Para kung umabot man tayo sa dulo nito at matapos pa rin yung relasyon, hindi pa rin yan yung itinadhana para sa'yo, you'll have no regrets. Pero kung yan yung tinadhana sa'yo, alam mo din sa sarili mong you have no regrets kasi every single day since day one na nagkasama kayong dalawa, you just concentrated on being happy with the person you are with. Not minding if tomorrow, sila pa rin ba ang kasama mo? Not minding if tomorrow, pipiliin ka pa rin ba nila? Basta ikaw, piliin mo siya araw-araw. Piliin mong makapiling siya araw-araw. Piliin mo yung relasyon nyo araw-araw. Kapag ganyan ka ng ganyan, my love, kapag yan yung magiging mentality mo about love, no man will ever regret the day they agreed to be in a relationship with you and they agreed to stay with you. Claro?